Yes, good morning all. I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So yesterday we are discussing this numerical. I think we have applied summation fx. We get RA is equal to 22.5. And second equation by using summation of Fy, we get W is equal to RB plus 13.5. Is it okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, we have to find out the W. We have to find out the W, that is nothing but the weight. And after that, we will find out the mass, because in the question it is asked that determine the mass of the pipe. So we will find out the M. So before finding out M, we will find out the W. Then from W, we will get the mass of the that particular pipe. Now, we have taken two equations in last lecture, summation fx, summation fy. So from summation fx, we have calculated Ra is equal to 22.5, and summation fy, we get this equation, W is equal to Rb plus 13.5. That is equation number one. Now, we have to use the third equation of equilibrium. We have to use the third equation of equilibrium, that is summation of m. So, about which point we have to take the moment. So, either you can take the moment about A, or either you can take the moment about B. We will not take the moment about point G, because if we take the moment about point G, then W is passing through point G. So moment due to the W is equal to 0. Right? So, so we will take the moment either at point A, or either we will take the moment at point B. Okay. So we will taking the moment about point B equate to 0. Okay. Sign convention, clockwise positive, anti-clockwise negative. Okay, distances are already calculated. BD is equal to 1.17 meter, horizontal distance 1.17, and vertical distance is your 0.55. Okay, so taking the moment about point B is equal to 0, clockwise positive, anti-clockwise negative. Now, first of all, we will start from point A. First of all, we will start from point A, right? So, at point A, there is a two reaction. One is horizontal, second is vertical. At point A, there are two reaction. One is horizontal, second is vertical. So, first we will take the horizontal. So, it is RA cos 36.86 multiply by horizontal force, therefore multiply by vertical distance AC. It is going in a clockwise direction, that's why it is positive. Then plus RA, it is again going in clockwise direction, sine 36.86 multiply by force is vertical, so distance is horizontal, multiply by BC. Then T is making anti-clockwise moment, so T into force is horizontal, so distance is vertical, GD. Then we will take the W, it is again anti-clockwise, W into force is vertical, distance is horizontal, that is BD, equate to 0. Yes, is it okay? Anyone having difficulty? Okay, so simplify, put the value of RA equal to, that is 22.5 cos of 36.86 multiplied by AC is 1.09 positive plus 22.5 sine of 36.86 multiplied by BC. BC is 2.36 minus 18 into what GD is equal to 0.55 is equal to W into BD is 1.17. So we'll get W is equal to, yes please find out this value. Yes, please. Do it fast. Why you're taking time? Only three calculation. What is value of W? What is value of W?
Sir, 35.53.
35.53. Other please check.
Yes, sir.
35.52.
Okay, correct. So W is equal to 35.53 or 52. So now, as we know, W is equal to M into G. You can refer the diagram. So write down W is equal to M into G. So W is 35.353 is equal to mass into 9.81. So M is equal to, yes please, 35.53 divided by 9.81 kg. Yes please. So into 10 raised to 3, yeah, that is in Newton, kilonewton, that you have to multiply by 10 raised to 3. 35.53 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 9.81. How much it is?
Three six two two point two five.
3622 point.
25.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the mass of the bar, 3622.2 kg. kg. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Find the distance x along AB at which a horizontal force of 60 kilonewton should be applied to hold bar AB of weight 140 Newton and length of bar 10 meter in equilibrium, neglect friction. Neglect friction. Draw the diagram. So we have to find out the AD distance, that is x. Total length of bar is 10 meter and weight of the bar is 140 Newton, that is passing through the point C, that is CG. Yes, diagram is over. Diagram is over.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now first we will draw the free body diagram, show the reactions. Okay. Find out the angle. Then after that, we will use the equations of equilibrium. Remember, weight of bar is given 140 Newton. Right? Solution, cos theta, okay, tan theta is equal to 3/4. Find out theta is equal to how much? Then tan alpha is equal to 3/2. Find out alpha is equal to, yes please,
36.86.
36.86.
36 or 46?
36.
36.
Point 86.
86.
Okay. Alpha
56.30.
56.30.
56.30.
30.
Okay. So these two angles are known, theta and alpha. Now we will draw the free body diagram of the bar. So at RA, there is a point of reaction, vertical. This is RA, making an angle. लिखते हैं। Then this triangle we will draw, because for taking the moment we require the distance. This is 90°. This angle is, we have calculated, 36.86. Then at D, 60 kilonewton. Then at C, 140 Newton. Then at B, there is an incline perpendicular. So it is RB. Angle is equal to, this angle is 90 minus alpha. So it is having two components. Okay. So it is 5 meter distance. CG, 5 meter, half of the 10 meter. And then this is your 5 minus x. This is your x. Suppose this point is E, F, this is suppose EH, this is your B, this point is A. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Right. So RB having two components. So RB having two components. So we will remove this. What is 90 minus alpha is equal to how much? Yes, 90 minus alpha.
33.7.
7.
RB sine 30
3.7.
3.7.
7. RB cos 33.7. 7. Then we will find out the distance. Theta, cos theta is equal to AH by AB. AH is unknown, so AH is equal to AB is 10 into cos of 36.86. How much it is? AH. Yes, please, do it fast.
8.0001.
8.001. Okay, that is 8 meter. So AH, 8 meter. Similar way, sine theta is equal to BH divided by AB. So BH is equal to AB is 10 sine of 36.86. Yes, BH is equal to
5.99.
5.6 meter. 6 meter. Similar way, for horizontal force we required vertical distance. So dF is equal to x into sine of 36.86. Find out how much times x. And vertical we will get AE. AE.
0.599.
Yes? किती आला?
0.599.
0.6x. AE, sine opposite upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AC is 5 meter. And sorry, I am not taking the AC, that is cos. Cos. AE, addition, 5 by cos. Okay, right. 5 cos 36.86. How much it is?
4.00.
4.00.
That is A is equal to 4 meter. So why I am calculating distance? Because while you taking the moment, you require these values, right? Now apply the equations of equilibrium. Madam, apply equations of equilibrium. Summation fx equal to 0, rightward positive, leftward negative. Okay, rightward positive. Rightward positive, leftward negative. So 60 positive minus RB cos of 33.70 is equal to 0. Find out RB is equal to how much? 60 divided by cos 33.70. 60 divided by R cos 33.70. Yes, please.
72.1.
22 point?
72.11.
72.
72 or
Sir,
22?
70. 70.
72.11 kilonewton. That is value of RB. Now next, apply summation of Fy is equal to 0. Summation of Fy is equal to 0. Upward positive, downward negative. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . So upward RA minus 140, 1 meter, no, is 60 Newton as I, so RB is in also Newton. Okay, so RA minus 140 minus, sorry, plus RB sine 33.70 is equal to 0. So RA is equal to 140 minus 72.11 sine 33.70. So how much RA is equal to? Yes, please do it fast.
99.99.
100.
Yes.
Yes, 100.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So RA and RB is now known to us. Now we will take the moment about A or B. As per your convenience, you can take the moment about any point, A or B, right? So RA is equal to 100, RB is equal to 72.11. Okay, now next, use summation of moment about point A is equal to 0, clockwise positive, anti-clockwise negative. So at moment of A, so 60 clockwise into DF positive plus 140 positive clockwise into AE minus RB cos of 33.70 into EBH 6 minus RB, sorry DF x मध्ये आहे ना, ओके 0.6x आहे, dx is 0.6x, RB sin 33.70 into AH. AH is 8 meter. AH is 8 meter. Or you can write the word for your understanding. BH, AH is equal to 0. So put the values DF, AE, BH, AH, RB. So 60 into DF 0.6x, 140 into AE. AE is 4, 72.11 into cos of 33.70 into BH. BH is 6 and it is 8, 72.11. Find out the value of x equal to how much? All are known only except the x. Yes, do it fast. Yes, please.
14.44.
Wow. Please check once again.
15.40.
-1.
No, no.
Sir, 33.34.
Please check once again.
3.33.
Yes, yes. What it is? 3 point?
33.
Correct. 3.33 meter is correct answer. 33, 50, कसं करता calculation? I don't know. So answer is 3.33 meter. Is it correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right. Check. Please check your answer where you have done the mistake. Okay. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question 28. Now, next is for homework. Now, this complete our equilibrium part. Only friction part is remaining that we will discuss after the reaction. As I have started reaction chapter or module to the C division. So tomorrow we will start the same module. Take this problem for your homework and you have to write down your class notebook. .72 centimeter, angle is 45. Okay, the two balls are resting. These are two balls resting as shown in figure. Find out the reaction. Okay, question. So before that, I will give the weight. Okay, weight and the radius and ball. Radius E and F. Weight of ball E is 160 Newton, 140 Newton. The radius 60 centimeter, 30 centimeter. Find reaction at A comma B, comma C, and D. Find reaction at A, B, C, and D. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Right. So solve this numerical and please post the value of RA. So while you posting on a group, so first write down suppose A01, below that reaction at A. If RA is not there, reaction at A is equal to, then reaction at B is equal to, reaction at C and D is equal to. Like that you have to post the answer on WhatsApp group by today evening only. ह्या न्यूमेरिकलचं आन्सर सगळ्यांनी क्लासचा जो व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप आहे त्या ग्रुपवरती रोल नंबर लिहा त्याच्या खालती देन यू टू राईट डाऊन द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ रिएक्शन ॲट ए बी सी अँड डी ओके आफ्टर ऑल द आन्सर्स I will post the answer. So then you get the who one is correct, right? So find out all these 4 reactions and please post on the group along with your roll number. We will check and I will post the answer. Okay. After all the students will post by today only. काय अडचण आहे याच्यामध्ये? Yes, any difficulty? Angle calculate करना. हाँ बोला.
सर डायग्राम जरा खाली स्क्रॉल करा ना.
डायग्राम जरा खाली. डायग्राम काय म्हणताय? ठीक आहे.
हाँ सर.
Yes, is it over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any difficulty, please think over it. Please think over this. I will wait for 1 minute. If any difficulty, you can ask. Angle calculate करने आहे. सॉल्व करा. मी काही सांगणार नाहीये. फक्त कॉन्टॅक्ट पॉईंट जिथे जिथे तिथे रिएक्शन दाखवायला विसरू नका. तिथं आर डीला एक असणार आहे, एला बीला आणि सीला. ए बी सी डी पॉईंटला रिएक्शन असेल. ई आणि एफ हा सी जी पॉईंट आहे. वेट दिलेला आहे. रेडियस सेंटीमीटरमध्ये दिलेला आहे. कन्वर्ट इन मीटर और कीप ॲज इट इज. ओके. Why the radius is given? To find out the angle, right? To find out the angle. बहुतेक अशा प्रकारचं न्यूमेरिकल मी घेतलंय, बरोबर ना?
येस सर.
क्लासमध्येच घेतलेला आहे. हा अँगल समजा थीटा असेल तर ई डी आणि डी एफ रेडियस माहीत आहे. वरी 72 सेंटीमीटर दिलेलं आहे. त्याच्यामधून ए मायनस केलं, एफ सी मायनस केलं तर तुम्हाला हा समजा पॉईंट ई एफ जी जी एच एच घेतला तर ई एच भेटून जाईल. EH कैसे भेटेल? EH 72 minus AE minus FC. AE आणि FC माहित आहे. 72 minus AE 60. अरे यार, sorry, half of this. Radius or diameter? Okay, sorry, not the radius. Please change it. Diameter. Please change this diameter. Diameter is given, so A is half of the 60 30, FC half of the this 15. So EH is equal to 42 minus 15, 27 centimeter. So AH you get 27 centimeter, and EF you get 30 plus 15, 45. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
45 हा आहे, हा 27 आला, त्याच्यावर थीटा भेटला. थीटा कशासाठी कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं? कारण इथं डीला रिएक्शन आहे, डीला कॉन्टॅक्ट पॉईंट रिएक्शन आहे, त्याचा अँगल विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हॉरिझॉन्टल आला. ठीक आहे. नंतर बीला इथं तुमचे रिएक्शन येईल, हा 45 डिग्री आला, हा हॉरिझॉन्टल रिएक्शन येईल, हा हॉरिझॉन्टल रिएक्शन आला, हा 45 डिग्री येईल, इथं आरबी. Like that, draw the free body diagram, use Lami's theorem, then use the equations of equilibrium. Use the Lami's theorem and use the equation of equilibrium. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. And last numerical, that is for your homework also. 1 minute. Yes. I will post that question also on the group. Please draw this. That is the next numerical for your homework. Both the numericals you have to solve and post the answers only on the group by today evening. So this is point B, this is point A, this is 45 degree. To 1. So find out this angle. Then point D. See. This is 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter. This is theta. (600 Newton) vertical force, 300 Newton horizontal force. So find theta. Find theta. Neglect friction. Bar is in equilibrium. Bar AB is in equilibrium. Bar AB is in equilibrium. So find out the theta. Again, on the group, write A01, then question number 2, theta is equal to answer. Right? So both the question answer you must post on group by today evening only. Okay, is it okay? Anyone having difficulty? Yes, is it over?
Yes, sir.
So this complete our part 1, that is equilibrium part, by using Lami's theorem and equations of equilibrium. In tomorrow's lecture, we will discuss the reaction of the beam. One minute. Please check the group. So like this, I will, you have to post the answer. So you can check the group. You have to write down the roll number. Then below that, the question number first answer, you have to find out the reaction at A, B, C, D, R, A, R, B, R, C, R, D. And below that, for question 2, you have to write down the value of theta is equal to. Yes, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.